Hello everyone, how are you? So do you remember what we did in the last month? Yes, are you practicing it at home? You have to practice everything every day, okay? Yes. So in the month of August, we'll be learning many things. But before that, do you know what is on Wednesday? Yes, Gopal Kala, also known as Janmashtami. Okay, who will tell me what is Janmashtami? Yes. Yes, Janmashtami is a grand festival that is celebrated all over India because to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. Yes, very good. It is also known as Gokulashtami. What is known as Gokulashtami? It is a Hindu festival. Very good. So, do you know Lord Krishna? Yes. So, let me tell something about him. Okay. So, who is this? Krishna. Yes, this is baby Krishna. Lord Krishna was born on this day. So, with his birth, we all celebrate this festival for his presence. Do you know where he was born? He was born in Mathura. Repeat after me. He was born in Mathura. Do you know that Lord Krishna was very naughty and very mischievous? Yes, like you guys. He used to do a lot of mischievous things. He used to steal makhan from his neighbors. Do you know makhan was his favorite dish? He used to eat makhan all the time. He also played flute. Yes. Do you know when he used to play his flute, everyone from the village and from the jungle used to come and listen to him. Let me tell you a small story of how strong he was. Once upon a time, there was a flood near his village. What was the name of the river? Yamuna River. There was a lot of water flowing through the Yamuna River. The village was full of water. The people the people who lived in the village, they got hypered. There was no place for anyone to stay and protect themselves. So do you know what Lord Krishna did? He lifted a mountain named Govardhan Parvat. Yes. Do you know why did he lifted the mountain? Yes, so that everyone from the village can come under the mountain to protect themselves from the rain and from the flood. He was so strong that he lifted the mountain with his little finger on the right. Yes, with the only little finger. Everyone else supported Lord Krishna. So, from this incident, we all know that how strong and how smart he was. Yes, this was his power. Yes. So now, do you know why do we celebrate Janmashtami? Yes, because Lord Krishna was born. And we celebrate this festival by breaking a matki. Yes, a beautiful matki full of makhan. People form a pyramid to break this matki. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Happy Janmashtami! Okay, so how was the story? Did you learn something? Yes. Okay, so as I said, Krishna used to love playing flute. So on this day, we'll make a flute. So are you ready? Yes. So to make a flute, you will need a small chart paper, some glitter paper, some more colorful chart paper, a fevi-stick, scissor and a pencil. So let's get started. Okay, so first you will take a chart paper of this size, a rectangular chart paper. Yes. Now you have to start rolling the chart paper slowly, like this. Yes, you have to roll the chart paper like this. Very good. Now you have to stick this part. You have to make sure that the circle is proper. See? Yes. Okay, now you have to keep this flute aside. Now you have to take a small any colorful chart paper. Now you have to cut it in an almond shape. Very good. Now you have to take another colorful chart paper and also cut it in a. Now we have got all the three things. So now you have to stick it. So after sticking, it will look like this. It will look like this. So did you enjoy making the flute? Now you have to make the flute and send me the pictures. Yay! Very good. Happy Janmashtami. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.